start the call.
So yeah, hi, how are you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm also good. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sure, ma'am. My name is Pavitra and I'm from Tamil Nadu. I completed my degree BE in computer science. After that, I worked as a data entry operator for more than 3 years. Now I quit my job. I'm focusing on my communication skills. And when it comes to my hobbies, I enjoy reading books, drawing, gardening, and watching movies. That's all about me.
Very nice to hear about you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pallavi Dhendra and I'm an English communication coach. I help people improve their communication skills as well as their confidence over the last 10 years. And I am from Delhi and I really love to teach as well as I love to connect with people. So I'm connecting with you.
Okay, that's nice. Nice, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. So, what's going on these days?
What is going on these days? Means you're
Yeah,
asking what is.
yeah, like
Mm.
what are you doing these days?
Yes, I just watched some web series related to English to improve my communication. And other than, I'm just connecting with some people to upload videos on my YouTube channel. And I'm attending some classes on English here. This is how my day is going. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
very nice to hear that. So, when you started learning English?
Yes, I started on May month 2025. It has been a
Okay, for more than 1 year you are
yeah,
learning.
yes, more than 1 year.
So, how much you have improved according to you from the beginning when you start till now? What's your progress?
Yes, initially I was underconfident, but nowadays I can connect with stranger and I can speak. This is I can say, and initially I struggle a lot. Like I use only broken English, but nowadays I can manage somehow. I can use even simple English also.
Wow,
Yes.
that's really great. So, how come you achieve this level? Because there are a lot of people, those who are at the beginner level, and they just don't understand how to proceed further. So, how did you get that level and how did you improve?
Yes, ma'am. I just focus on speaking on a daily basis. I do speaking practice through cold learners through online, and we have a lot of plenty of application nowadays. It's available, right? So we can choose anything. We can do the practice, speaking practice. This is how I'm doing. And other than I connect with people through video call also. So it is around only 30 minutes, but somehow I'm practicing, even though if it is small amount time also, it is really helps a lot if you're doing consistent manner. So I listen podcasts, English conversation videos, and I do reading. I read some self-help books. So I'm into three aspects of English, I can say: reading, writing, and speaking. Not reading, listening, and speaking. But when
Wow.
it comes to writing, I write very little only. It might be to-do list or very little. Yes. Sometimes I
Okay.
write journaling. I do journaling also, but not on a daily basis.
Okay, all right. So, as you said, you do reading also. So, what kind of books are you reading these days?
Yes, ma'am. Self-help books. So I started from Sudhamurthy ma'am book initially. So those are story books. After 3 or 4 months later, I jumped into self-help books too. So I read some couple of authors' books like Two Epic Shade. So this book I really like, and now I am reading Robin Sharma book, The Everyday Manifesto Hero, Everyday Hero Manifesto. So it is about his journey and a lot of tips he is giving to the people. This how I don't enjoy too much, but I'm doing like the sake of reading this book.
Okay,
Yes, it
wow.
it has around 300 pages, but I just want to do. I don't want to skip that. That is why. Yes.
Okay, that's
But I
really
think a lot
cool.
of people don't like, right, ma'am? A lot of people don't like to do reading. I think so. It is kind of boring task.
Yeah, it depends. I tell you, a lot of people they start, but they don't end up, they don't continue. Very few people they continue because initially they have like full enthusiasm. Yes, we will also do reading, but then they leave in between.
Yes, yes, yes. But I had now I habituated to read because in the morning time I spend only 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. So now it's become habituated. I couldn't skip that. So it becomes a habit now. Yes.
That's really good. Anything you do regularly actually shows the result.
Yes.
Very good to hear about you. So, like, only listening helps you and like speaking. So, when you started with broken English, or you already know English at that time?
No, ma'am, I started with broken English. So I at the time I did only listening and speaking. I do listen and I speak. Not in listening, I do only conversation videos, not anything else. I don't listen any podcasts and all initially. So I just listen very basic conversation videos and I do speaking at least 30 to 1 hour. So this is how I started. But now I jump into different uh, genre, I can say, like podcasts and web series also. So
Wow.
it makes the process little bit interesting, I think so, because sometimes I get bored to reading all the time. So nowadays I'm enjoying to watch web series also. I think we should have some fun kind of activity, right, to learn this language.
Right. That's correct.
Mm.
Everyone should keep on adding some or the other thing. Otherwise, we start feeling monotonous at some point and we leave that thing.
Yes,
Good, you are
yes.
doing your best, I must say.
Yes. What about you, ma'am? Nowadays also, are you do speaking? Are you do practice English
Yeah,
or you
I'll
speak
tell
naturally?
you, even I do teach English, but still I believe in practice. I feel anything we don't practice, we get out of its touch. So we should practice, even though I teach full time, still I feel practice, nothing can beat practice. Practice really matters a lot, even if we are like teaching. So I also believe in practice. I sometimes read books, or I stand in front of the mirror and I express my views just to check if I'm on track or not, because if I'm teaching means I'm the role model for somebody. So I also need to brush up myself, or also I keep on exploring if I can add anything to my skills. So practice is very important, no matter whether you're a beginner, you are intermediate or advanced, or even if you're a trainer or a coach like me. You need to practice, because only then you can keep in touch with it, and you can teach and you can present yourself at the best.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, practice is very important. So, do you also
Yes.
believe in like learning vocabulary words, or you feel like normal English is okay?
No, learning vocabulary it's enhance your language. It make your language much more beautiful. I think so. But it is again laborious task for me. I think so. I couldn't incorporate a lot of words. What are the words I have learned so far? I think everyone facing this problem. Everyone face this problem. But for me, if it is natural way, that would be easy for me. Like while I'm listening to any videos, so if I came across more than 3 or 4 times in the same word, so I can use it very easily. Otherwise, it is difficult. Like to take the pick the word and make the sentence and push myself to incorporate the word in my conversation. So that makes me little difficult.
Yeah,
Yes.
sometimes it do happen. We learn the words, but we don't end up finding where we should actually use it. So
Mm.
the usage
Yes.
matters more than the learning. Learning is important, but if you're not able to use that,
Yes.
then that learning is also
Mm.
waste.
Yes. Do you follow any tips, tricks for that?
For using vocabulary words, yeah, I
Yes,
can
yes.
truly suggest you something. Just a moment, let me share my screen with you and I show you something. that might help you to you as well as might benefit the learners. Just allow me a moment. Can you
Okay.
see my screen share?
Yes, I can see. I can see, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Would you see what I've written?
Reading.
Okay. What's the last letter of the word reading?
G.
Okay. Can you tell me any word that begins with G?
Oh my God.
Any word?
Okay. Any word on gap?
Okay. Gap. What's the last letter of the word gap?
P.
Okay. Can you tell me any word that begins
Pinnacle.
with P? What?
Pinnacle.
Okay. Okay. Pinnacle. What's the last letter of the
E.
word pinnacle? Say a word that begins with E.
E. And
What?
eligible. Eligible.
Okay. So do you understand what activity we are doing over here?
Yes, I can understand.
What?
It is some kind of fun activity, I can say.
Yeah,
Just
so
you're
we
giving
call
some
it
kind of
as
exercise.
word chain activity. So this activity really helps you to improve your vocabulary. See, a lot of times what happen that we know a lot of words, right? But it doesn't come at the
Yes.
right moment. So this activity
Yes.
is called vocabulary enhancement activity because it really helps us to brush up our mind and the words keep coming in our mind. We can also call it as brain sharpening exercise because it helps you to sharpen your memory as well. So I believe if you will do this activity daily for 5 to 10 minutes, it is like good. So that really helps you to improve your English a lot and your vocabulary especially because even with before learning new words we know so many words that we don't put into 100% of practice. So it is very important that we should practice some or the other thing daily. So this activity is really a game changer for many people. And daily you can just give it 3 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and you will see if initially you will be able to write in just 5 minutes 20 30 words, then you can write even 50 60 words. So just revising 50
Mhm.
words daily is a big thing. We don't do that actually.
Yes.
Yeah, so this
Yes.
activity helps a lot.
It is nice, I think so. Some kind of fun.
Yeah, it is
Yes.
a fun activity and any age group can do. This is the best part. Even you can do, I can do, or the kids can do, the elderly people can do. So it benefit and help in everybody. So even you can give it a try. Might be it will benefit you.
Yes. I should try.
Yeah, I
I
also do
should
that
try.
whenever I feel bored or I feel I'm not able to stray or able to focus, or then I will do this activity for 2 3 minutes. So I will always do it. All right. So next, it is that any tip that you would like to give to the beginners as you have also started from the beginning till now. So what are your tips for beginners?
My tips. Okay, I would say like don't afraid of making mistakes and once you find out you're not good at English, try to work up on that. Like don't focus on grammar and all. Just do listening and speaking, even though you're using broken English. Also, that's fine, absolutely, because this is not our mother tongue, right? So it is foreign language. It is a foreign language. So don't think too much before starting your journey. Let's give it a shot, I can say. Yes. But should be
Yes,
consistent. If you're practicing for one
right.
month after you're taking,
Consistency is very important.
yes,
Yeah, because most of the people they start, but they don't end up.
they do for one month, they got the motivation and they
Yeah,
do for one
right.
month
And then
after.
they leave. So starting is
Mhm.
easy, but ending is difficult. That is so true. I do
Yes,
believe in that. All right. So it was a lovely conversation with you, and I really enjoyed listening to you. You are so motivating that you're putting in the efforts and you're continuing. I wish you luck that you improve more and more. And I am very
thank
delighted to
you.
connect with you.
Yes, I'm really enjoyed this conversation. I'm really happy to be here. And thank you so much, ma'am. And I learned something from you. It is a nice conversation. I would love to connect with you in my future for my YouTube channel too. Thank you, ma'am.
Sure.
Have
Even if you
a great
wish, I
day.
can share you the same recording. That won't make much difference because your viewers are different, my viewers are different. I will send you my WhatsApp number over the mail. You can send me hi. I will share the recording over there. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank
Bye.
you. Great day.
Welcome.